with 2 bullets and you shoot that Mountain Dew 2 times, that means you can shoot a bird 2 times. With Clink twice.
If I can aim at it.
Yeah. The bird might die like 8 shots. We killed like a frick bird, one of the ones that make you triggered. Yeah, yesterday. A couple of days ago. I wish I posted on YouTube. And you see the grave and it's sad. Yeah. Let's go inside for a couple of minutes.
I need to actually kill a bird. To the clock.
Okay. Where am I a bird? Where would I hide? I have the eagle eye. Yay! Shade, yay! The shade is in our savior.
That's hot.
Yeah, the outside, but let's go on the inside. The inside of there is so cool. No. It's gonna be cool, but there's no luck. No birds around.
Just imagine we should do a bird like this.
I could see a bird. Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, that's hot. Let's go.
Let's go inside. I'm gonna always look like this in the videos because I have like a necklace and a thing.
That's money necklace.
Yeah, but I'm using it. Inside.
Yeah?
Did you get it?
Get what?
This could be the end of this video here. And this is it. Okay. Can we hit like 300 likes?